Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper, along with the paper butterfly accents and the Comforting Thoughts stamp set. This is an online exclusive stamp set, okay? So if you want to find this, you have to go online and look under online exclusives. But before we start our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First up, we have our April Paper Pumpkin Kit, Delicate Wings. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and has a basic gray stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can also purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on for $12. It's a set of 4 dies. It coordinates with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kit. The item number is 164397. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, there's a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate, medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our March host code. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up!, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. Okay, so we're going to be doing Kendra's card challenge number 13. I've been working on these. It's 15 cards, so it's going to be 15 card series, not 15 videos, but 15 cards. We're going to be doing sketch number 1, and I can't remember. I think this is called a faux shutter card, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, but that's what we're going to be making today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As always, I have done some things ahead of time. So I have cut a piece of thick basic white down to 8.5 by 5.5, scored it at 4 1/4, burnished it with my bone folder. Then I cut a piece of the Designer Series paper to 5 by 3 3/4 and matted with some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Put a piece of Designer Series paper right there that is 3/4 by 3.5, and we're going to put this in for our inside. So sometimes I put cardstock on the back for the inside, but since this Designer Series paper had like a solid color for one of the sheets, and it coordinates what we're going to put on the outside, I thought I would use that. And it's also a good way to use up some Designer Series paper. So that is our inside done. So we're going to get our silicone sheet, our little silicone craft sheet here. And I have a piece of Designer Series paper. We're going to get, I have another piece of Designer Series paper. It's a little square. And this is what we're going to put in the middle of our card. Oh my goodness, I should not have put this. I do this all the time. I shouldn't have glued it. I shouldn't have put any glue on it. I have ink on my fingernail. We are going to stamp. Goodness gracious. I always do this. I like to stamp first. So we're gonna, we have some pretty peacock ink here, and we're gonna stamp Wishing You Comfort. Hopefully everything goes well. I think this is my first time using it, so let me stamp over scrap paper over there, and I want to put Wishing You Comfort right there. Whew, thank you. I was holding my breath. I wanted to make sure that came out okay. Okay, so now we're going to add our little strips, and for the strips I'm using Designer Series paper instead of like cardstock. So I am going to put glue on the back of this strip. Oh, Lordy Lord. That's a lot. So what I'm going to do, ooh, I need some scrap paper. Scrap paper? Where are you? Okay. And just rub that across there to get some of that glue off. And I'll keep it right here just in case I need to use it. So I'm going to put this right up to the edge of that, right, oop, I went over a little bit, go, right there, line it up even, the first one, Okay, then I'm going to get our next one. Try not to go overboard with the glue. And I'm going to line this one up right here, just like that. And we'll just, keep turning. Oh man, I got glue already. Okay, well, just keep turning. This is my first time making one of these cards, I do believe. I don't think I've ever made one of these before. Then we're going to put this right here. I'm going to turn it. I'm trying to keep from putting glue on the back of my my designer series paper. Goodness gracious. And we're going to put glue on this strip. And we're going to add that one right here. Butt it up right to the edges here, like that. Okay, so we didn't need this again. I'm going to close my glue up for a second because we're going to still need it. Get out some scissors. Oh man, this is not as close as I need it to be. So now we're done with this silicone mat, our silicone craft sheet. We're going to cut these little pieces off. Oh, please don't put glue on my desk mat. Okay, so now we have that all cut off. Whew, that's cute, just like that. We're going to take this and add it to our card front. Well, to the base of our card to become our card front, I should say. Take this. We're going to put it here like that. Okay, and since our base of our card is white, I'm going to just put this butterfly on there just like that. I'm not going to color it, just because the base of our card is white, so I wanted to pull that white in some more since I didn't stamp on the white for the sentiment. I'm trying to get a little bit of glue on this. I don't want to ooze out. I just need a little, I just need a little in all the spots. Okay, so we're going to put this butterfly just like that. Be still, butterfly. Then for the final touch, we're going to add some of our Adhesive-Backed Sequence Trio. And we have some pretty peacock white and berry burst. So we're going to use some of these pretty peacocks. Yes, 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 we are. A couple of different sizes. Then and then and then. Trying to decide if I want littles or no littles. I'll put it right here on that butterfly. I don't know why, it was just calling to me. But that's it. That's a quick and simple card. But it's cute. I love it. Man, I wish I would have got that closer to the middle. But isn't that cute? Nice and simple, right? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.